Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about 4 ways you can actually make money with AI. See, the big opportunity isn't just building AI, it's closing that massive knowledge gap for everyone else. Get this, 84% of people have never even used AI. That includes a ton of business owners. That gap, that's your advantage, and turning it into cash is called AI arbitrage. So let's get into it. We're going to walk through 4 ways even non-techies can turn this into a legit side hustle.
Okay, path number 1 is the fastest way to get paid, building custom AI agents for clients.
And we're talking 2 to 5 grand per client. Yeah, for just one custom AI agent setup. All you do is follow this simple 5-step process to solve a very specific problem for them. And these aren't hypotheticals. Businesses are paying real money for these right now, for sure. So you're probably thinking, do I need to be some kind of developer to do this? Nope, not at all. You just connect the dots using tools that do all the heavy lifting. All right, let's look at path number 2, teaching teams how to actually use all this AI stuff. You could pull in anywhere from $500 to $5,000 for just one workshop. So many companies have AI tools just sitting there. You can fix that with a simple 90-minute session. But here's the trick. Get specific. AI for sales teams will sell way better than Intro to AI.
Path number 3 is where things get really interesting. You stop trading your time for money. The formula is gold. Find a painful task, automate it once, then sell it over and over.
And just look at these examples. People are already crushing it with services just like these. Okay, our last path is the long game, but it's where you get that sweet, sweet compound growth. Just imagine pulling in over $12,000 a month in recurring revenue. It's possible. The smart way to do it is with 2 tiers, a free one to build trust and a paid one. See, people don't just want info. They want someone to help them actually get it done. Listen, you do not need permission. The barrier to get started is way lower than you think. So just pick one path, build one thing, run one workshop. You just gotta start. The opportunity is right here, right now. The only question left is, are you gonna take it?